Welcome back to the Tonight Show, guys. It can be hard to say goodbye, but sometimes you have to. And there are a few things I like to say goodbye to right now. It's time for Go On Get!
Go on, get, go on, get, go on, go on, go on, get.
Go on, get! Windshield wiper controls being different in every car. In one car, twisting the knob activates the wipers, and another turns on the high beams. I'm trying to drive in the rain, not play a high-stakes game of bop it. Push it, twist it, flick it, pull it, and go on, get it. Go on, get push doors with handles. Who designed you? The Riddler? I just made a fool of myself at this Cracker Barrel, so now I gotta make a performative oops face so everyone doesn't think I'm a complete moron. You're pulling my leg and pushing my buttons, door, so get on and go. I mean, go on, get. Go on, get. People who say, oh, we've actually met before. Way to make it weird. Obviously, I didn't remember your name. I would have said, good to see you again, Brent. Oh, your name's Michael? Well, guess what? I already forgot it again. So next time I say nice to meet you, you say nice to meet you too. Or you can go on and whatever your name is again. Oh, yeah, get. Go on, get thin, wispy Christmas tree branches. What the heck kind of ornament am I supposed to hang on you? A helium balloon? Plus, your wimpy little needles fall out everywhere. Now it looks like the Grinch was manscaping in my living room. My dad. Oh, wow. Here, we're gonna. Back there. Go back there. Hey. No. Hey, no. No, you. Thank you. Go on, get different kinds of sneezes. We have one national anthem, and we should have one national sneeze. I don't need to hear the hold it in till maybe no one will notice sneeze, or that big old scream sneeze that sends people hiding under their desks. And don't get me started on the multiple sneezes. You get 2 blushes, and then you're dead to me. Give me a classic I chew, or you can I get. Well, it's hard to see him go, but glad I got that out of my system. Stick around. We'll be right back with John Mulaney, everyone.